Thanksgiving crafts, a creative celebration. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and festive topic: Thanksgiving crafts. Whether you're new to the English language or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will explore what Thanksgiving crafts are, why they're significant, and how they can add joy to the Thanksgiving holiday. So, grab your art supplies, and let's get creative. Thanksgiving crafts refer to handmade art and decoration projects that people create to celebrate the Thanksgiving holiday. These crafts can include anything from paper turkeys and fall wreaths to thankful trees where people write what they're thankful for on paper leaves. Thanksgiving crafts are not just fun activities. They are a means of expressing gratitude, creativity, and family bonding during the holiday season. Thanksgiving crafts play a significant role in the holidays celebrations for several reasons. First, they help in decorating the home with themes of harvest, gratitude, and togetherness, making the atmosphere more festive. Second, crafting provides a wonderful opportunity for family members of all ages to spend quality time together, creating memories and traditions that last a lifetime. Lastly, these crafts allow individuals to express gratitude in a tangible form, reminding everyone of the true spirit of Thanksgiving. Let's explore some popular Thanksgiving craft ideas that you can try at home. Paper turkey decorations. Create colorful turkeys using paper, markers, and glue. These can decorate walls, tables, or be part of a centerpiece. Thankful trees. Make a tree out of branches or paper, and hang leaves with written messages of what you're thankful for. Handprint wreaths. Use paint to make handprints on paper, cut them out, and arrange them in a wreath shape. This craft is great for young learners to practice their motor skills. Pumpkin painting. Decorate pumpkins with paint, glitter, or markers to add a festive touch without the mess of carving. While engaging in Thanksgiving crafts, take the opportunity to learn and practice new English vocabulary related to the holiday, such as gratitude, harvest, tradition, and celebration. Additionally, follow instructions for crafts in English to improve your listening and comprehension skills. Remember, the goal is to have fun and learn simultaneously. Thank you for joining us today to explore the world of Thanksgiving crafts. We hope this video has inspired you to get creative and embrace the spirit of gratitude and togetherness this holiday season. Remember, learning English is not just about mastering grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding and participating in cultural traditions. Happy crafting, and happy Thanksgiving! Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you next time!